Zero, and today I'm going to show you how to get onto Streamyard, well, the whole Streamyard through your phone. Now, some people think you can't do it, but there is a way to do it. Now, right now, I've had it set to a test just to show you how it works. So, first of all, if you want to join Streamyard, yes, you can't get in through the normal, mobile site. See, because it tells you, please host from your laptop or desktop. And this stops most people. If you don't know how to get around that, it stops you. So the best way to do this, the way you get around it, is to hit the three dots up here and go to desktop site. Once you do that, now you're in. Okay, so after you log in to host your channel, just go into the studio, put yourself in there, and once you've done that, all you have to do is go live or do whatever settings you need to do, and that's it. That's all there is to it. And with that, you are now streaming. You're using StreamYard on your phone. You're hosting a StreamYard panel broadcast on your phone. So please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Oh yeah, and the video right here is just the test unlisted, so you won't see it anywhere. So I hope that helped you out. And please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I hope it was very informative to you. Holding this bounds by rich people, and I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.